Hello everyone, this is Nargis. Welcome to this tutorial for Ad Espresso. Today we are going to see how to set up full-fledged ad campaigns using Ad Espresso. But before we do that, let me give you some idea of what the tool is all about and what it can do for us. So Ad Espresso is a Facebook ads tool that lets you create and optimize ads in a much easier fashion than the native ads manager. You can create multiple versions of the same campaign together with split testing options. This helps you get a better insight into your audiences and thus helps you maximize your ROI. So let's go ahead and see how exactly we can use this tool. To begin, click on New Campaign. You will have to give your campaign a name. Select the ad account through which you will be running your ads. You can add a few tags that can help you search for the campaign if ever needed in future. So I'm just going to add a few for my campaign. Next, we will choose what we want to promote and how we would want to promote it. You can choose to promote a website, a Facebook page, an application, or a Facebook location page. This would depend on what you're trying to achieve from the campaign. In my case, I'm going to select website and I'm going to choose external website, which means I would want to drive some traffic to my website through the Facebook ad. Right, so with this done, I'm going to scroll down and click on proceed. Now we come to the ad design part. Select the ad format. If you're planning to run a carousel ad, select carousel. If not, click on normal. Select the page through which your ads will be running. Add the ad headline. Alright, so here comes the A/B testing part. Like I mentioned before, with Ad Espresso, you can test out different headlines, different captions, different creatives to see which one is performing better. And you can do all this without having to create multiple campaigns. Right? So as for my headlines, I would want to test out two different versions and see which one is performing better for my campaign. I have one added here. I'm going to add the other one. Now scroll down and update the ad text, which is basically the caption for your ad. I would want to test another version of my caption to see which one performs better. So I'm going to click on this plus sign here and add my other caption. Right, so I have my two captions added here. I'm going to scroll down and upload my ad creatives. Again, for this, I would want to test out two different images. So I'm going to click on upload new images and select the two images that I would want to run my ads with. Now move down and update the URL of your landing page here. Right? You can add a display link. Add a description for your ad. Right, now select a CTA button from this list. I'm going to select contact us for my ad. Select your Instagram account from this drop down. Now we will define what properties and devices we would like our ads to run on. So you have desktop feed, mobile feed, audience network, Instagram feed, Instagram story, messenger home, right column, marketplace, and instant article. For my campaign, I'm going to select desktop feed, mobile feed, Instagram feed, and Instagram story. Right? I can use this panel to see a preview of how my ads are going to show on the different selected placements. It might take a little while for the tool to fetch your previews. So this is how my ad is going to show up on the desktop feed. This is the preview for my mobile feed. This is how my ad will look on Instagram feed. And this is what it will look like on Instagram story. So all this looks fine to me. I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed. Now we move on to the audience targeting part. Here again, you have the option to test multiple audiences. But to do that, make sure you have saved audiences in your AdEspresso account from before, so you can load them here to run your split test. Click on test multiple audiences. So I have these two saved audiences from before that I'm going to select. Right? So life stage is the audience set where I'm targeting people based on the different life stages that they are at. So my new parents or people who have been recently married or recently engaged or have moved to a new town would fall under this category. My other audience is based on interest targeting. So people who have expressed interest in real estate or buying a home or property investment of any kind would fall under this audience. I'm going to click on proceed. Now set your campaign's total or the daily budget from here. Define the start and the end date for your campaign. Make sure you have automatic optimization selected from this drop down here. This basically lets AdEspresso optimize your ads on its own. So with all this done, we are ready to publish our campaign. Just go ahead and click on proceed. So guys, this would be it for this tutorial. We have published the first campaign. We've gone through all the steps of the ad creation process and looked at different split testing options. So yeah, just go ahead and use this tool to simplify your ad creation and analysis process. Hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.